Yo! I got a 2014 Nissan Altima in here. For some reason, the door handle doesn't open the door. And I don't know why. I think the deer did it. I'm gonna blame it on the deer. I have a plastic panel I gotta take off here. I got some cheesy Harbor Freight little wedge tool thing. And I should be able to just pop this thing out. Little regular screwdriver. Try to pop this out without breaking it. Yeah, that's still in one piece. Got a little clip here you push in and pull up. It looks like that's the only one. I'm going to unplug these. Push in the little button here in the center. One here, one here. Looks like I have a 10mm screw here. There's a Phillips head on it too. 10mm here. Then I have this power mirror switch. There's a tab in the center right here you can push in and pop this out. One more 10mm. I should be able to just yank on this door panel. Pop all the little clippy things off. Looks like the little ball came off here. It broke. I'm just going to pull these out. And this one pops out too. This is for the door lock. Pull that straight up. There's one more clip here. I guess I could have left this plugged in. This power mirror, I'm going to leave that plugged in on the other side. On the bottom of the door panel, there's a light down here. You just pull it out like that. There's a little clip for this. Push in. Now this door panel should just come right off. Looks like there's just 3 Phillips screws on here. Number 2 Phillips. Found a little piece of plastic and a spring laying inside the door. Oh, there's little clips here. I'm going to try to push those out. And I got it. I got the piece. Here's the part number. That was easy enough. Suppose I'll put the little ball thing on first. There's a little slot it goes in. Like that. Then I'm going to feed these wires through the holes. Plug this one back in. And the light wire down on the bottom, I'll put that in the hole too. Hang the panel. Plug this thing in. Looks like I can just make sure these holes line up. Snap all those in. Screw in my 3 10mm. Plug those in. This panel's got a little finger on it, so it goes in here first. Got this little guy, and it's got little fingers on the side towards the handle, so I gotta stick them in those slots first and then push it in. And it should be a working door again. Isn't that amazing? It's a job. Okay, bye.